Hey everyone, happy Valentine's Day. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this new model I just designed. Check it out. It's a really cool origami heart, and it's a really nice heart. And on the back of it, it has a secret note. I love you, or I heart you. And actually, the reason why I'm doing this video right now is because, yeah, I'm going to show you how to fold this, because it's really cool. And also, this is going to be a gift for my mom. So, I'm going to put this on her bedroom door downstairs. She's at work right now, so, when she gets home, she might notice. So I'm just gonna just tape the model on the bedroom door down there. And all right, so yeah, this will be a nice Valentine's Day gift. And also on the back here, you can probably stick something in that pocket, like money or something. And yeah, so this is a really sweet model. And I'd love to show you guys how to fold it now. All right, you guys ready to learn it? Here we go. All right, so for this heart, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami origami paper. And if you want to use a sheet of printer paper, just make a square out of it. So just fold the short edge onto the long edge, like this. Okay, and turn over and fold this up in between these 2 points. Like this. Okay, unfold. And let's reverse the crease. Click right here, or skip right here if you already have your square. Okay, unfold. And now make a tear on the top. And you can use scissors, but I'm tearing it. And the tear go all the way down, just like this. So here you have your square. But I'm going to use this square sheet of kami. So let's begin white side up for a pink heart. And let's fold in half. This is a pretty easy model. So if you're new to this is a good one for you. Okay, crease sharply. Unfold. And now fold to the crease. Actually, no, this is a rather challenging model. Just kidding. This is an easy model. Alright. And now let's fold in half. Okay, unfold. And now let's airplane fold these 2 corners. So fold to the crease. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a good Valentine's Day. I know I am. Yeah. Okay. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge and we're going to fold it to this crease. Like this. And this is where you're gonna write your note. This white area that's showing up. And take this edge and fold it to this crease. Okay, just like that. Alright, and now take this edge and fold it to these 2 edges. Like this. Okay, like that. And now take this edge and fold it up right over this edge. And repeat. Alright, like this. And now we're going to take this edge and we're going to fold it to these 2 points of the white diamond. Yeah, so after I'm done making this, I'm gonna actually bring the camera downstairs and I'll show you what I'm gonna do. I'll tape it on the bedroom door. Okay, like this. Alright, and now comes a kind of tricky step, not really though. What we're gonna do is we're gonna open this pocket here. And we're gonna take this interior flap and we're gonna tuck it into this pocket. So we're folding right over that edge. Like this. And this is what locks it together. Like that. And flatten. And repeat on this side. Open the pocket. And fold that edge inside to lock it. Like this. Alright, now flatten everything. Okay, now it looks okay like this, but let's lock this even better. So to do that, this isn't that hard. We're going to take this edge and fold it to this edge. Like this, and now we're going to just kind of shorten this flap. That way it'll be easier to stick it inside. Just fold this up a little bit. Doesn't matter. And unfold, and let's tuck it into the pocket. Just open it up a little bit, enough so you can stick it in. And mount and fold that flap in. And see that now there's no edges sticking out right here, and it's much more locked. And let's repeat that on this side. Here we go. So fold this up like this. And shorten the flap to make it easier to stick it inside. And open here and stick it in. Like this. Alright, like that. Okay, so remember, this is the part where you're going to write your note in, and I'll show you how to make it into a trapezoid in just a second. So let's first round the heart first. So let's round these bulky corners first. So we're going to take this and we're going to fold it up. How much? It's not really that important, but just, I'm going to estimate thirds. Just fold it up halfway like this. It doesn't really need to be perfect. Okay, unfold. Yeah, crease that really sharply too. I know it's thick. And unfold. And now we're going to reverse fold it. So open here. Let's make this crease. And well, actually, it's not necessarily a reverse fold. It's more like a swivel fold or a squash fold. So we're going to take this and we're going to flatten it so that the fold hits this point. And let's just kind of place it on the desk here and do it. It'll be easier that way. There you go. Just kind of flatten it like that. That's tricky. But if you weren't able to do that, well, it's pretty good like this too. But that way there's just no flaps sticking up right here. Okay. And let's repeat on this side. So here we go. So fold it up, estimating thirds, or really to taste, and crease it as sharp as you can. Unfold, and let's open here. This is optional. If this is too tricky, then don't do this. We're just gonna swivel fold it, and now place it on the desk and make the fold hit that point when we flatten right there, like this. Alright, and there it is. That's what it looks like. Alright, well if you did that, then congratulations. Okay. And now we're going to kind of open this white space up, so we're going to take this edge and fold it to here. This isn't necessary. And we're not going to fold this edge to this edge. We're actually going to fold it up in between this point and this point. Like this. You can't fold it to this edge because it's in the way right there. Okay. And repeat here, so fold in between that point and this point. Alright, and there it is. There is the trapezoid hole. And let's kind of hide these flaps if you want. Just fold them inside like this. It'll make the model cleaner. And repeat here also. Alright, and now at this point you can write your note in here. I'm just going to write I, heart, you. There you go, just something simple like that. Maybe I'll color the heart in. That way it's more noticeable. Yep, there it is. So there is the secret note. Well, it's on the back. So when you turn it over, you'll expose the note. And alright, so now let's make the crevice. So there's two ways you can actually make the crevice. So on here, I just reverse folded it, so you can just reverse fold it. So fold the model in half. And let's make, well no, it's too thick there. I'm just gonna go ahead and reverse fold. You can make a crease there if you like, but I'm just gonna go right to the reverse fold. So just make a reverse fold to taste. I'm just gonna make a tiny one like this. See? And there it is, and there is your heart. And another way you can make the crevice is that it'll make it look more 3D looking too, but this is kind of tricky, so do this at your own risk. So we're going to lift up this edge, and we're actually going to, there's a diamond of creases right there. We're going to make those all mountain folds, like this. And now push the model together like this. There you go, that was more tricky, so you guys were able to do that. See? And now, see, it makes it look more 3D looking, and if you look at it from this side, it looks taller right here. Because there's 2 sides, see? There it is, but I'm actually gonna just do the reversible. I like the reversible better, though. Because it's simpler and cleaner that way. See? Yeah, that looks better. And there it is. Maybe it'll spin, yep. On a desk that's actually smooth, than rather on a piece of paper. Yeah. So there you have it. Well, I hope you guys were able to fold this, and make sure you subscribe, and have a happy Valentine's Day. Alright, now I'm gonna go downstairs and tape it on my parents' bedroom door. So here we go. You guys wanna come with me downstairs? Yeah? Alright, let's go. Close the door. Okay, I put the tape right there. I'm gonna tape it on the knob. Or actually, I'll tape it on this knob right here. This is the door that actually opens. There you go. And just make that reverse fold again. There you go. Okay, maybe I'll close it. There you go. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.